Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram password. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Instagram app. Tap your account icon in the lower right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right of the screen and tap Settings. Tap Security. On the Security page, tap Password. Enter your current password and then type the new password you want to use. When you're done, tap the blue check mark in the upper right corner. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.